Hi guys, welcome to another video on experiment 2. Okay, this experiment what we're going to do, we're going to measure the density of two objects. First we got a pendulum bob here, followed by a glass stopper. Okay, as you can see, the pendulum bob is more or less of a round shape, so it's a regular shape. In other words, what we can do, we can actually use a micrometer screw gauge to actually measure the diameter of the pendulum bob and then find the volume. Okay, with the volume and the no mass, which we use an electronic balance to find, we can actually find the density. Okay, so what about this glass stopper here? You can see we can't really find any dimensions of it because, as you can see, it's actually quite irregular shape. So what we'll do is that we'll use a measuring cylinder. We'll pop this in. Okay, once we have water, we'll pop this in, measure the amount of water that's being displaced inside this measuring cylinder. After that, we will find out the volume of this glass stopper. So two ways to find volume. First, what I mentioned is the volume of this regular solid, so you can tell what is the volume. By finding a diameter, we can actually find the volume of the solid. Okay, the second one is of an irregular shape item. Once we have a irregular shape item, we will just find the volume of water displaced in a measuring cylinder. In other words, we'll pour water to about a third, measure that as V1, pop in the glass stopper, and measure the new volume of water V2 and the volume of water displaced, so V2 minus V1, and that's the volume of this stopper. Okay, the only similar thing is to measure both the masses of these items. We'll just use the electronic balance. Okay, all right, hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, see you in the next.